End milling machine market report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global end milling machine market size will be $51,425.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 7.8% from 2024 to 2031. North America end milling machine market size of $20,570.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. Europe end milling machine market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $15,429.86 million. Asia Pacific end milling machine market size of $11,827.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America end milling machine market size of $2,571.26 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa end milling machine market size of $1,028.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.